Guys, welcome back to my channel. You just heard my phone go off, so I just want to have a little disclaimer. If you hear background noise, it is what it is. That's my life. My son's in his packing plate, my mom's behind the camera. I have 3 dogs walking around right now. You might see some cats jump up here. Not sure, and my husband is watching Van Helsing, whatever that vampire show is called, in the other room, and I can hear it as I speak. So if you hear it, that's what it is. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall decor DIY. It is that time of year. If you guys haven't seen my fall decoration video, Decorate With Me for Fall, I'll make sure to leave that link down below. But check that out because, I just love the way the house looks. So you have to see how I decorate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY fall wreath. You guys can see I got my base right here, and we are going to be making a wreath. I also have a few other fall decor videos that I want to film, but I want to save those for different videos. Throughout the season of fall, I can have a few DIY videos that are fall related. Alright, so we are going to get into this. I'm just going to share everything that I got and what you're going to need. Now, I am going to, tell you guys exactly what I'm doing, talk to you guys while I'm doing it, but if you guys are new to my channel, I like to freestyle things. I like just to go with it, you know what I mean, and see how it turns out. I feel like I work best like that, especially with doing henna and, dyeing my hair and doing makeup. I just work best when I freestyle. So, the first thing that you're going to need is a hot glue gun, because, girl, we're hot gluing. My son's dropping toys. Okay. Also, you're going to need some glue sticks, because one glue stick isn't going to be enough, girl. We need a lot more than just one. I also have this ribbon here. And I like it because it's like a see-through gold, so I thought it would look really, really nice with the design of the wreath that I am thinking of in my head. So we also have a few of these little ball things that go with these. They're just not on it, so I thought, oh, I could place those somewhere. We have some really pretty orange leaves. We have some glitter gold spray paint, and we also have this long, you could just make a wreath out of this. Like, if you want to be extra easy, just fold it up and glue it on, and there's your wreath. But we are going to take this apart, glue on different pieces, and make it unique. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy my DIY videos, and this is really awesome because if you're looking to decorate your house for fall, what better way of hanging a wreath on your door or hanging a wreath in your house somewhere? It's perfect for fall. So that's what we're going to do today, and I hope that you guys enjoy me DIYing my wreath. Let's hope it turns out good, because this is my first time doing a wreath. Oh, real quick, and I got everything at Michael's, so it's a one-stop shop to make a wreath, just at Michael's. And remember, they have coupons, so look up Michael's coupons, and you can get some coupons, save a little bit of money. All right, let's start. So, I really like this type of wreath. You guys could just get like a metal frame one or a plastic frame one, but I really love that this one is like a bunch of sticks, and it really just makes it more, I feel like, of a rustic wreath, and also a little bit easier to glue pieces on and make your wreath. Instead of having to add ribbon and starting just from scratch, you actually have a base to work on. So I really love that. If you're looking just to make an easy, quick wreath, I would definitely go with the branches. And this, I believe, was only around $5, so you really can't beat that. And like I said, it's pretty much, you already have your base, now you're just decorating it. So definitely easy. And, okay, why am I rambling? Girl. Alright, so I'm going to take this piece. So this was around $25. I'm taking this off now, but it was 40% off, and remember, they do have coupons. But this was the one that my mom and I liked the most, and they had ones that were like $10, but like I said, this was just the one that we decided to go with because we liked the colors. But remember, definitely do the coupons because it's nice to save a little bit of money. And plus, I always feel like Michael's has sales going on all the time, so I feel like it's definitely worth it. So I'm taking this piece off. Like I said, this could realistically get turned into a wreath. Just fold it up and hang it on your door. But I just want to stress to you guys that you can make this really, really affordable. It's just that I decided to go with this one because I really liked the way it looked. But they did have cheaper, more affordable ones to go with if you didn't like this style. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to just glue a little piece in the back and then start wrapping. Be careful because your hot glue gun can be hot. Alright, so now that we got our glued piece, I am just going to wrap this around. Like I said, I love this because it's like kind of like translucent, but it gives a little bit of glitter, and I love the gold. Because I got the ones with branches, I'm trying to put some of the pieces under the branches so it's not like super lumpy. If your girl is taking too long, you know I'll be speeding this part up because that's the beauty of editing. So if I speed this up, you know, okay, she's taking a while. Loving how this is already looking. You guys can kind of see already. Let me take the tag off. Oh my God, Max is playing with Isaiah's little baby pumpkin right now. For a lot of my moms out there that have, you know, kids older than my son who's 1, I feel like this would be a really fun activity to do with your kids to kind of involve them. Maximus is still playing with the little pumpkin. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to come and add some things. So I'm actually not going to cut this little stem off because I can place it inside of like the branches, but of course with glue you want to make sure that it's secure. But look at, I just like stuck it in. You guys can see, look at it, that's already so cute. The reason why I liked this strand better was because it had flowers, it had pumpkins, it had leaves. It kind of had like a little bit of everything. I'm just going to take my scissors and kind of press it down next to the branch so I know that they're getting secured. Alright you guys, it is done. I am so in love with this. I love the way that it turned out. It's gonna fit perfect. I'm just gonna talk like this. It's gonna fit perfect with our theme for the fall decor in our kitchen. It was, you know, I love doing creative projects, and for me this was like so relaxing. I could zone out, and I just had a lot of fun with this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I got everything from Michael's. I pulled apart the flowers, I pulled apart the sparkly things. I kind of just made things my own. I decided to save the spray paint for like my next DIY, which you guys will see a few of them this fall season. But I decided to take some leaves from this little bunch and some leaves from this bunch, and I actually layered some of them together because I liked how it gave a little bit more dimension, and I like how it kind of split up the colors a little bit, like this one down here for an example, and up here. Like, I just layered them because I felt like it gave the wreath a little bit more fullness. If you guys are making one yourself, you know, just have fun with it. Do what you want. Layer leaves, layer flowers, layer the sparkly things. Add a ton more ribbon if you want to. Just freestyle it and have fun. But if you also want to just recreate mine, I did sunflowers, pumpkins, a sparkly little thing. I don't know. I just placed things where I thought it would look good, and I love the way that it came out. Like I said, I'm a freestyler. That's just the way I roll. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this fall decor video. This is the first one. I have a few more. This is the first wreath that I have ever made, and I really love the way it turned out. Like, I am so excited. I can't wait to hang it up. You guys will see that in a second at the end of the video, but I just wanted to say, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. For those that are new, subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and also comment below because, like I say in all my videos, I do really love chatting with you guys in the comments. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and let me show you what it looks like hung up.